Hello everyone, my name is Sky and I'm a librarian at Brampton Library. For today's Take and Make kit, we are going to create our own kaleidocycles. Here is what you will need to make your kaleidocycle. A kaleidocycle template, scissors, tape, and something to color with. Here is how to make your kaleidocycle. First, let's decorate. You can add whatever design you want to your kaleidocycle. Simple geometric designs are best for your first try. Once you are done designing your kaleidocycle, cut out your template along the thick black outer edges. Now it is time to fold. First, let's fold and crease along all of the dotted lines. Make your folds as straight as possible, and make sure you crease both downward and upward. Once you have finished folding and creasing the dotted lines, do the same step with the diagonal lines. Time to assemble our kaleidocycles with tape. Start with the two little rectangular tabs and fold them onto the backside of the kaleidocycle. Tape the end of the kaleidocycle together. This will form your first triangular pyramid. Next, take the triangular tabs and push them underneath the diamond section with matching symbols. This can be a little tricky, but just make sure you try to maneuver and fold accordingly. Once it is folded, tape them down. You will now need to do this 2 more times. Now close the open end of the kaleidocycle by taping it together. Your kaleidocycle will now look like a chain of triangular pyramids. Now we will connect the edges. Connect the open edges of your kaleidocycle to make it a ring instead of a chain. Make sure that the matching designs are together. Also, make sure you put tape on both sides of the connection. Once taped, you are now finished and can play with your kaleidocycle and cycle through all of your designs.